Power lines can't take much more. Listen to that hum?
Maybe it's nothing. Just the storm.
Feels different than a storm.
Shh, hear that?
Let's be honest. AI videos are taking over the internet right now. You've probably seen those hyper-realistic clips and thought, wait, is this real? Well, that's Sora AI. It's only been 2 weeks since its launch, and it's already changing everything. People are posting videos so real that even experts can't tell the difference. One clip hit over 400 million views. Another, a cat stealing a fish, crossed 200 million. Every detail, every single thing, every shadow, all created by AI. But here's where it gets crazy. Creators are taking it even further. CCTV scenes, animal rescues, celebrity-style videos that look straight from real life. These clips don't just get views, they stop people from scrolling. And here's the best part, you can make them too. You don't need a studio, expensive camera, or editing skills. Just a few right prompts and the right method, and you're ready to create viral movie-quality AI videos from your laptop. In this video, we'll guide you step by step on how to access Sora, use the best tools, and craft the perfect prompts that actually work. You'll learn the exact method that helps you create viral, next-level, hyper-realistic videos, watermark-free and ready to post anywhere. So let's dive in and get you started. All right, here's what to do. Go to the link in the video description, soraaivideo.net. Click Login and log in with your Google account. Before we start generating, let's talk about the prompt. I've shared all my special prompts in my Telegram group, so make sure you join us. The link is right there in the video description. You'll find ready-to-use prompts that can help you create amazing, realistic videos easily. You probably saw that viral clip of a cat stealing a fish. It hit hundreds of millions of views. But this time, we're doing something even more fun. Imagine a little kid sneaking into a toy store, grabbing a toy, and running away while a security guard chases him like it's a real-life drama. That's the kind of scene we're about to create. So choose text to video and enter the prompt. For the aspect ratio, if you're making YouTube shorts or TikToks, go for 9:16. But if you want a cinematic YouTube look, go 16:9. I'll pick 16:9 for this one. Now hit create and watch the magic happen. All right, take a look at this result.
Hey, little guy, stop! Hold it, come back here.
Look at that camera movement, so smooth and cinematic. The lighting inside the store looks completely natural, almost like it's shot with a real camera. Honestly, it's hard to believe this is fully AI generated. This is the kind of result that grabs attention instantly. To download it, just click on download, give it a name, and save it. And there you go. Your first hyper-realistic AI video is ready. Now let's make something even crazier, the kind of clip that makes people argue in the comments asking, is this real? So we're now entering our second prompt. This time, we're creating a CCTV-style scene. A kid walking down the street, a monkey suddenly approaches, and out of nowhere, a cat jumps in to protect the kid. Just hit create and our video is processing. And here we go. It looks exactly like real security footage, grainy, raw, and totally believable. Perfect for short-form platforms. Now let's try something a bit mind-bending. We're now creating some videos of Albert Einstein. I'm just entering the prompt here, and here's the result.
Let's begin the experiment. Power online. I said calculate, not clean.
Look at this. The details, the expressions, the movement, it feels like a real person on camera. All right, let's take it one step further and try something even cooler, turning a single image into a full video. Just select the image to video option and upload the image, then enter the prompt and click on create, and here we go. Our still image has transformed into a professional-looking video. Smooth camera movement, realistic lighting, it looks like an actual clip shot with a real camera. That's the power of Sora's image-to-video feature. Okay guys, now comes the most exciting part, how to build a professional prompt for Sora 2. It's simpler than it sounds. Open ChatGPT and go to the GPT Explore section. Search for the agent called Timeline Video Prompt Maker and open that chat. Since here is the other language, so first say that talk to me in English. Now, here's the step-by-step way I use to make perfect prompts. First, tell the agent the duration. For example, I want a 10-second text to video or 12 seconds. Second thing, tell the agent your style. Say something like cinematic or documentary or CCTV style. Be short and clear. Third, describe the characters. Who is in the scene? A child, a security guard, a cat, a monkey, lists them. Fourth, describe the shots and timing. Break the scene into small parts, shot 1, shot 2, shot 3. Say what happens in each shot and roughly how long each shot lasts. Then hit enter and let the agent analyze your ideas. The agent will return a timeline prompt. Think of this timeline prompt like a JSON for Sora 2. It is structured and precise. Sora 2 uses that structure to create the scene frame by frame. This is the best way to make prompts that give consistent, movie-like results. If you want to use my ready-made timeline prompts, I've posted them in my Telegram group. The link is in the video description. Copy any prompt you like, paste it into Sora 2, and tweak it to match your idea. That's it. Timeline prompting is the secret to pro-level, repeatable videos. Sora gives you 16 free credits to start. You can upgrade for just $9, a small price for something that could easily turn into your next viral hit, or even a full AI-powered content brand. And that's it. Now you know exactly how to make viral, hyper-realistic videos with Sora. From funny animal moments to realistic CCTV clips to lifelike historical recreations, you can make them all. So don't wait for everyone else to flood your feed with these. Jump in now and ride the AI wave while it's still rising. Hit that subscribe button, give this video a like, and tell me in the comments which AI video generator is your favorite.